Okay guys, so if you like my videos, just don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more video updates. Ayan guys, so thank you again for watching.
Begin.
Okay, so welcome again to my kitchen, guys. Ayan, it's me, Fea Babok Walter. And what we are going to cook today is chicken tinola. Tinola. It's not a native or something, but I'm craving for chicken tinola. Ayan, guys. So first thing we have to, of course, put on oil. As always, put on oil right there. This is coconut oil, guys. I always use coconut oil. So ayan. So let's put in so I just only have here a slice of ginger in crushed garlic. So first thing is, ayan. Ito ang version ng aking chicken tinola, guys. Ayan. So kailangan, you have to, ayan. So slowly put in the sliced chicken. So this is the two. Okay, add it. Ayan, so I use the chicken thigh combo. The legs in the thigh combo. Ayan. So ayan, stir fry natin until golden brown. Chicken tinola. Ayan. And then I'm using fish sauce again, just like the old ways we use the fish sauce in the Philippines, but not this kind of fish sauce, the bagoong. Ito ay patis. So ginagamit natin yung bagoong para sa tinola natin. Ganyan. Ew. So, ayan. Let's cover it for a while. Ayan, guys, and then we will put the garlic. Okay? Ayan. And then, I'm gonna put water. Ayan. Put water na, guys. Ooh. Simpleng tinola lang, guys. Ayan, let's just boil it for a few minutes. And then, cover it. Okay. Ayan, so it's boiling, guys. I'm gonna put so I have two kinds of mark here, chayote and potato. Because the chayote is just only one, so I add potatoes. So I'll put first, yeah. Maybe I will put them together. Ayan, kasi chicken is, and then I also have beans here, so I'm gonna put the beans as well. Yan. Magtinolang manok. Yan. Yan, guys. Let's cover it again and let it boil a little bit until a little tender yung ating mga ingredients. Okay. So ayan guys, malapit nang maluto. It's almost done. So the fish sauce is not enough, so I will just add salt. Okay, so salt in it. Just salt guys. Ayan. And then black pepper. Just a dash of black pepper. Okay. Ayan. So the sayote and the potato is done. They're soft enough. Enough. And then lastly, I'm gonna put the spinach. Okay. Lastly, guys, I'm gonna put spinach. Yan. Just a little, you know. Just we need that. Konting. Ano lang. Yan. Just look like that. And guys, let's turn it off because it's hot. The stove is hot, so I just turn it off and the spinach will cook itself. It's done. I'm gonna take the cover. Okay. It's done, guys. It's done. Okay, so now it's done. We'll dish up. I think seems like overcooked, but no, it's not overcooked.
Trying to get the spoon.
No, it's hot, baby girl. It's hot. Mommy's trying to dish
Can I
up.
take a picture?
You want some tinola?
Can I take a picture?
Be careful, it's very, very hot.
You want
I
some
have to take a
tinola?
picture.
Don't hold into the stove. You will burn your finger. It's
I
really
was trying
hot.
to take a picture.
Ayan, guys.
Can I take a picture? Daddy, can I take a picture?
Oh my goodness, Summer. You are so loud. Mommy can't hear her voice. Eh?
Can I
Be careful. Be careful.
picture?
Ayan. You can take a picture later, okay?
Mommy's taking it first.
See, Mommy's tried to take up some... Oh, don't hold my hand. Don't hold my hand.
Summer, see?
Don't pull my hand.
Step down.
I don't want to step down.
It's very hot.
I don't want to step down. I don't want to step down. I don't want to step down.
Then I will hold you.
Yeah.
I don't want to step down. I don't want to step down. I don't want to step down.
Overcooked. Yeah, the beans overcooked, but it's fine. It's already in the soup. It says it's already in the soup. Summer, be careful. You're gonna break your... Of course, we're gonna get the soup. It's not a
It's
lot
not down and the floor is
for
not
a
good.
typical chicken
It's down
tinola.
and the floor is not good. Ow, fall. You know, just go like that.
Ayan guys, our chicken tinola. Okay guys, so if you like my videos, just don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more video updates. Ayan guys, so thank you again for watching my videos. Babush.